Welcome to the in front of me REALME Pad, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So just to turn on the silent mode of your device, here on this side of your tablet you got the volume buttons. Just tap to one from these buttons, it doesn't matter. This will be the up or the down volume button. Here you got the bell icon, and just tap once here on the icon and you will see the message that your calls and notifications just will be muted, and that means that you just turn on your silent mode. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the bell icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.